Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about project management, how to do project management, CPM and PERT using POM-QM software. Now let us open the problem. This is the problem. A company manufacturing plant and the equipment for chemical processing is in the process of quoting tender called by public sector undertaking. Help the manager to find the project completion time to participate in the tender. So these are the activities, these are the precedences, and these are the number of days required to complete the activity. Now let us take the POM-QM software and complete it. We have to click on project management, single time estimate, that is for CPM, critical path management. So title is CPM. Now let us count the number of activities. There are 8 activities. 8 activities. And row names are A, B, C, D, E. Immediate predecessor list. Click OK. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Activity time is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 3. In predecessor, A does not have any precedence, then followed by 3 A's. Now we let us solve it. Click on solve. So the project duration is 20 days. So let us see the charts. This is the chart. A, D, F, H is the critical path. Okay. Now let us see the PERT example. Construct project network, find the expected duration and variance for each activity and find the critical path and expected project completion time. So let us see the number of activities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Click on new, triple time estimate. 11. Let us give the name PERT. Immediate predecessor list A, B, C, D, E on row name. OK. A has 6, 7, 8. A has 6, 7, 8 times 129, 147. 129, 147. 123, 129. 123, 129. 159, 228. triple four, 4410. Two five 14 228. Now let us see the predecessors. A does not have a predecessor. B has A, C has A, D has A. B has A, C has A, D has A. E it is A and B. E it is A and B. F and G have C. H has E and F. I has E and F. J has D and H. K has G, I, J. Click on solve. So 29 is the project duration. Let us see the charts. So A, C, F, H, J, K are the critical paths. Activity time computation, project results. So critical variance is 7.89 and standard deviation is 2.81. Thank you for watching the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.